Hello, homemakers. Welcome to another video. Welcome to the joy of homemaking. And so, this is just a quick video showing how I clean and restock my fridge every time I go shopping, because that's just what happens when you get a whole new haul of groceries. You just have to reset your fridge and put everything in a different order. So there's always lots of rearranging going on in our fridge. And yeah, so this is going to be a quick video. Hope you enjoy it. And thank you for supporting my channel, you guys. Make sure you check out the shopping haul that I posted yesterday. I went to several stores, probably like 4 to 5 stores we went to yesterday. But anywho, we got our shopping done. It started to rain. You know, rain has hit California big time. So God bless you. And thank you once again for supporting my channel. Have a blessed Sunday. Bye.